hard. All things 40. You get 40% off.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Alright, time we go get you. I go get you. What are you doing? Climb out of there. Go ahead.
Put your name on here. Use your shit, okay?
What are you doing? What? Come on, kid. Come on, get out of there. Climb out. Come on.
I don't know if they do.
Come on.
Stop that, Dad.
I'll give you pop if you climb out. Come on. Come on.
Why do you want me
I'm videotaping. Come on, kid.
Alright.
Come on, Mr. Link. Come on, Mr. Link.
Baby's first birthday.
Here. No, touch my finger. That's it. What are you doing? Come on. Are you gonna get out of there yourself? Okay.
I think you come up with some really good.
Yay, Isaac! You showed the world how you can climb out of your seat. Oh!